Before applying the Mastering Diabetes protocol, I had a fasting sugar of 197, which really shocked me. And then I decided to just go full out. I had seen a video on mastering diabetes, and 2 weeks later, my fasting sugar was 98. Within those 2 weeks, I lost 4.5 pounds without even trying, just from implementing the protocol. We were told, especially throughout my entire education, that diabetes is absolutely irreversible. Once you've got it, you've got it. It is progressive, it is downhill. You're going to have all these complications, and just try your best to avoid all carbohydrates, eat a lot of protein, and pray. And that's just not the case. We know now that there is an absolute cause of saturated fat blocking your insulin absorption. And when you remove that saturated fat from your diet, you have the ability to reverse the diabetes and also be not diabetic anymore. I had not seen any of the videos of mastering diabetes before this. I don't exactly know how it showed up in my feed. I guess it's divine. And a day or two after that, I saw Robbie. And then there was an invitation to a webinar, and I joined that. The research that he showed, there's been tremendous amount of clinical research done by doctors and hospitals, control groups, large amounts of people in their studies that prove that a low saturated fat diet is the key to breaking that barrier for the insulin to get into your cells. And I think that after I saw that, I was just absolutely hooked, and I realized I had to try it. The best thing that has happened to me, certainly, in addition to the weight loss and the knowledge that my fasting sugar is normal, I'm much less tired. I'm much clearer thinking. I always thought I was like thinking clearly, and then this came along. I'm like, wow, it has made a very big difference when you see that you're thinking a lot clearer. Yeah, I'm just overall feeling a lot better. And I'm enjoying the food I'm eating. I'm really enjoying. I never thought that I would be enjoying a plant-based whole foods diet as much as I am, but I love it. I make a really yummy tofu stir fry with lots of vegetables and some tamari and lots of garlic and tofu, and I have that with quinoa, maybe some sweet potatoes and other vegetables on the side. I love black bean burgers. My friend is a chef, and that's one of her specialties, so she makes me black bean burgers. I've been having them. I enjoy them very, very much. I love salads. I throw some chickpeas into the salads that I'm eating. Lots of greens, lots and lots of greens, arugula, kale, bok choy, and it's filling and yummy. Everybody tells you, what are you crazy? You're eating carbohydrates? Are you nuts? I was just talking to somebody last night. You can't do that. You have to have protein. And we were talking about some menus for a meal we're going to have together. And I said, well, I'm going to bring like these, a stir fry with me and some quinoa. Like, no, you have to have chicken. You have to have meat. You have to have eggs. I said, no, this really works. And it's very hard for people to grasp the fact that it works. It's backed by science, as it were, and it's backed by real facts. I mean, I'm an absolute testimony. I have not had a fasting sugar of 98 now, how long. They've been like 110, 120, 125 in the past. But 98, it's been a very, very long time. Very happy with that. Before applying the Mastering Diabetes protocol, I had a fasting sugar of 197, which really shocked me. And then I decided to just go full out. I had seen a video on mastering diabetes, and 2 weeks later, my fasting sugar was 98. But I really, jumped into the deep end of the pool, cut out saturated fat, started walking after meals, did some very light weight training exercises, and started adjusting my sleep times. And within 2 weeks, it dropped literally 100 points. Within those 2 weeks, I lost 4.5 pounds without even trying, just from implementing the protocol. I think the greatest gift in doing the Mastering Diabetes protocol is my future. My father had diabetes, and he was sick for a long time, and he ultimately had glaucoma and heart attacks. He died of a heart attack, and he suffered. And I never wanted to be diabetic. I'm saw what happened to him, and there was not much of a future for him because he passed away at literally at my age now, the age that I'm at now. And I didn't want to go there. So Baruch Hashem, thank God, I see a future. I see a future, a healthy future, and a future that I'm breathing better and walking better. I'm enjoying the walks that I'm taking after the meals. I'm enjoying doing the weights. I'm enjoying doing the exercises that I do. And I'm also enjoying seeing the numbers coming back of 98 and 104, and that's where they're sitting, and I hope that that's where they stay. Well, one of the things I'm really trying to do is share this with as many people as I can. I tell a lot of people about the diagnosis that I got and trying mastering diabetes and suggesting to them that they go for it. Many people that I know have sugars that are high, much higher than mine. And I'm suggesting to a lot of people to go ahead and do this. I see a future not being diabetic. Mastering diabetes has given me hope for a healthy future. When you get a diagnosis of being diabetic, one of the first things you think of is what's going to happen to me? What is my future like? How am I going to live? How am I going to eat? How am I going to survive this? And mastering diabetes says you're going to have a normal life. You're going to have a great life. You're going to have a healthy life. And you're going to enjoy your life. I'm very grateful. I'm very, very grateful for mastering diabetes. I have seen the videos in the past, and I did not do it. And the thing that convinced me to go straight ahead and do it was these horrific blood test numbers. Don't have doubts. It really works. It's backed by research. I saw a webinar that Robbie did that shows the research that it's backed by, and you will not be sorry. You will be so overjoyed by doing the Mastering Diabetes protocol and just be really, really, really thankful that you started doing it.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes meal guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.